Welcome to University Putra Malaysia. Salam sejahtera. UPM is a hub of higher education and pioneering high-pressure processing services for the food industry in Asia. Since its inception, the Department of Food Technology at UPM was established with a clear vision to lead the way in teaching, research, and consultancy in the field of processing and engineering. In line with its visionary approach, in 2022, UPM installed the Hyperbaric 55 unit, becoming the first organization to make HPP technology available for third parties in Asia.
The HPP system was initially dedicated solely to research. However, the moment we began to communicate our HPP capabilities to the industry, there was an immediate interest in the multiple benefits offered by this cold preservation technology, such as guaranteed food safety, clean label, and extended shelf life. We welcome companies, many of them are export purposes, to send their products for processing at our pilot plants, fostering direct engagement with their teams and guiding them all along the processes. In this journey, Hyperbaric plays a key role with their HPP experts being always available to give support and share their wealth of knowledge. Nowadays, the main products we are processing are durian paste, food purees, and juices and beverages, including coconut water. But thanks to the versatility of HPP, there is an increasing interest in meat products, ready-to-eat meals, and seafood, among others.
At the same time, we persist in conducting research on the most compelling applications, ensuring results are disseminated. Finally, as an academic staff, it's great to have a teaching plan dedicated to student training. It's incredibly gratifying to witness the surge of interest and excitement among our students during lab sessions as they stand before the HPP machine with real samples. At UPM, we're committed to extracting the utmost value from our HPP machine, supporting entrepreneur development, empowering students, and advancing research. Welcome to a place where the doors to innovation and collaboration are always open.